Hello everyone, I'm Russ. I'm the Aftermarket Services Manager for MGS Machine. I'm here to show you a couple quick tricks on how to make sure your equipment's running smoothly so you don't even have to wait for us. And we can always help you, but you can just do it yourself for simple things. So if you're running your machine and you start seeing problems where you're not getting a clean pick, a clean drop, there's a few things you need to check. One of the very first things you're going to check is the vacuum cup. These vacuum cups are actually pretty essential to making sure your machine is working properly. So if you look, they have a tiny little delicate edge on them all the way around. If that edge has even a tiny little tear in it, what will happen is you will get a small vacuum leak. That small vacuum leak eventually turns into a big vacuum leak and then turns into a product either not being picked or dropping in random spots. Even a tiny little rip across any one of these little surfaces here can cause mispicks. And some of the mispicks or problems they cause is you can simply not pick it at all. You can pick it part way out. Sometimes you'll even get it all the way out and almost all the way down to right here, and then it'll fall into a random spot because it's starting to lose vacuum from that little rip. The little rip starts a vacuum leak, and then the vacuum leak gets bigger, bigger, bigger until eventually the product falls off the picker arm. So the cheapest and easiest way you can try to do to ensure that your machine can keep running is to make sure you replace your vacuum clips. And as you can see, they're very simple to do. Again, I'm Russ, the MGS Aftermarket Services Manager, and I'm here to help you do anything you can and help you guys keep your machine running great. Thanks.